My name is Kathy, and I had originally been prompted to come and support my husband, who was coming to this retreat. Wanted to be there for him and see what else we could learn together, as well as it all being about the heart. I have two loved ones, my late husband as well as my dad, that both passed away at young ages of heart issues. So I thought anything that I can learn along the way with this informative retreat would be great. So here I am. Some things that I've taken away from this have just been incredible, things that I didn't even realize that I would be able to learn about, which has been fantastic. Just really how much more important a plant-based diet is, and I want to apply that to my life much more. And I think both my husband and I agree on that. Ways of helping to reduce stress, and breathing exercises have been really helpful. More exercise, increasing exercise, and just having more days per week with that. That's very encouraging, and I know could be very helpful for my life as well. I guess probably the breathing. I think that would be. I mean, they're just, which just pretty and encapsulates the whole with the retreat that I wanted to mention is just these just amazing doctors, and how encouraging they've been, and how knowledgeable and informative. They've just been amazing with the information they've been able to share with us. Yes, I would definitely recommend to others, and especially to be able to come and see the benefits of how beneficial the machine is for their health and for their heart. Even just like they say with prevention, I mean, that's just huge to me, especially with what's transpired with loved ones in my life. And I think a lot of those people would be here today if they had had a chance at this machine.